Auto insurance policy tips for superior but cheap insurance coverage. Stay claims free for more than 3 years and most insurance will give you a special discount. Remember, this does not mean you might not have had any cost to make a claim, but that you did not file one. Therefore, if it's a minor case, handle it on your own. What you will gain from a no claims discount will certainly outweigh it. Reduce your bodily injury liability coverage to the very minimum required by your state law and buy an umbrella policy instead. The more substantial your asset, the more this recommendation is true in your case. Just to ensure we are all on the same plate. Bodily injury liability coverage takes care of passengers and the other driver in an accident caused by you. If this coverage type takes care of such liability issues, why is it recommended that you get an umbrella policy? The simple reason is that the liability coverage included in any auto insurance policy is usually inadequate. This means that your personal assets will be taken if your liability coverage cannot handle the bills and damages incurred. However, there is hardly a lawsuit or liability issue that an umbrella policy wouldn't take care of completely. You save on many ends with an umbrella policy. It helps you get lower rates, gives you superior liability coverage and auto-related issues, but still covers liability claims that may arise somewhere else, for example, your home. Price-wise, you get much more coverage per premium dollar with an umbrella policy. It could cost a 35-year-old man in an area like New York City around $300 extra to raise his bodily injury liability from $25,000, $50,000 to $100,000, $300,000. The first amount in each pair shows the maximum amount that will be paid out to each injured person in an accident. The second amount shows the maximum that can be paid out per accident. However, with an umbrella policy, he will spend less than that to get $1 million worth of coverage. And if he chooses to raise the coverage amount of his umbrella policy to $2 million, he will only have to spend only $75 more. That's not all. After the $2 million mark, he will need to add only $50 extra to his rate per $1 million extra coverage amount. See, that's superior coverage for a lot less. That's the advantage in adding an umbrella policy instead. Get many more tips like this that will help you cut down your overall insurance cost by up to 50% at q4l.org. One more thing, save a lot of money. Get and compare quotes from many top insurers at q4l.org.